So we just did the exhaust here on Bill's. Put the, they're like 20-inch long glass packs. It should quiet it up. It did quiet it up a little bit. I'm gonna go drive it, see how it sounds. It's definitely quieter.
Oh, without a doubt. I mean, don't get me wrong, it sounded nice in the first place, but it sounds really nice now. It's nice and quiet.
Yeah, the problem is you can't get it quiet.
No, we never will. I mean, the engine was never
Intended to be super quiet.
right.
But it's quieter now. So I'm gonna go drive this. And then I think, Scotty, when we get back, thank you for a cookie. We'll go one more bath and pray for Bill. He will be here at 2. Alright, so after putting in the resonators and getting everything changed out on the exhaust, other than the wind noise, she's quiet. Like, you can barely hear the engine. Whereas before you could kind of hear it. Now it's hardly anything. So I'm out driving her. Gonna put some miles on this baby. Gonna make sure the brakes stay consistent and work good. Don't have any more adjustments there. And then she's ready for Bill to pick up. He's gonna pick it up today this afternoon.